Hi, I'm Heath Hine with Clearview Windshield Repair, here on behalf of ExpertVillage. In this clip, you're going to see how to repair a crack in your windshield. We're going to get started on the crack repair. We have about an 8-inch crack here. Now there's two methods that you can do with repairing the crack. One is actually drilling into the tip of it and again popping a bullseye. As we know, from a bullseye state, it stops the brake from going different directions. So we will drill in, take your probe, and loop that bullseye around. Now from this point, you take your bridge and you apply it to that bullseye and you can start some of the injection. One of the other things that's needed with a crack repair on a windshield is you'll want to use one of your injectors and take it out of the bridge after you've put some resin in it. You'll run this along the crack to inject resin into that crack. Now the second process, as opposed to drilling that bullseye and popping it, you can flex from the inside of the windshield with your hand if you can reach there, or with your probe if it's a little bit farther. And as you flex, what happens, you're opening that glass to the surface so that you can just start your injection process. So this time I'm going to flex, take my injector full of resin, and insert the resin along the crack. Run it all the way to where the crack actually started to. Now it's time for the sun to cure it.